How to create your own PBR material, PBR Maps Auto Import. Shader Maker is used to create a material, using the selected textures. It has a recognition system based on texture names. In this example we will create some materials, with textures downloaded from the web. When selecting Shader Maker in the library, extreme-pbr's Add button will assume a different function, named Auto PBR. When you press it, a file browser window will open. There, you can select multiple image files. All images supported by Blender can be used as textures. The system for importing textures, and creating a material from them automatically, is very simple. If the material has a bump or displace map, you can also activate the displacement button, in the standard way of all PBR textures materials by extreme-pbr, see related video. Now, you can save this material as a standard extreme-pbr material into the user library. Add a new category, or choose an existing one. During save process, you can set preferences on how will it look in the preview icon window, to balance quality and speed. You can set the name of the material, and add infos on authors and license terms. There are two saving options. Save material will save the whole node group, and can only be loaded as a whole material. If you want to be able to use it as a module into another material, you have to use the Save Module function. Press Save Module button and confirm. Now you can add your material as a new module, and paint its influence on the mesh.